Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Brad over here at Chattanooga Fishing Fun. Here at Chattanooga Fishing Fun, we sell Ranger boats and Lance truck campers. It's kind of like the fisherman's little candy store here. We can hook you up with a truck camper so you can still haul your toy behind it. Today we have a nice cloudy day. I'm going to take full advantage of it while it's not raining and show you this beautiful Ranger 520R. It is one of the handfuls of 520Rs I've had come through so far this year, but it's the first one that I've had time to video. So we're going to go ahead and check out this beautiful rig here. We'll do a little walk around the boat on the outside, and then we'll cover all the features on the inside of the boat as far as, you know, your storage compartments, all that good stuff. All right, so at the front, you can tell that this boat's equipped with the cup package. Cup package is going to include the Lowrance Ghost trolling motor, the active target transducer that needs to be mounted a little bit up towards the side, two 12-inch Lowrances. You have one at the bow here and then one at the console up there, and you're not limited to only having two, you know, $3,500 graphs. You can certainly add more if you want, but anyways, keep it rolling. So Ranger in 2013 started the integrated navigation lights. I call these bug catchers right here. You can always count on some bugs to make their way in here and get slapped up against there. Makes it for fun cleaning, but the integrated lights is definitely nice to have, so you don't have to walk around and stick the pole in when you need it. Underneath the boat, you've got the Hamby's kill protector, center mounted tongue jack, trailer parking brake. Definitely nice to have, you know, kind of protects your investment. This thing's like 90 grand, so if you're parked on a slope, you definitely don't want $90,000 rolling down the slope. Wouldn't be any fun. This color right here is actually the first time I've even seen this color. I believe this is new for 2023. I don't even know what it's called actually, so I'll have to figure that out, but I like it. How about that? All right, so walking on to the back, you've got your fiberglass color match fenders. This is right here is color matched with Comanche stripe 1 and 3. I believe that's like probably like a gunmetal metallic with flake. And then, like I said, I have no idea what this color is called, but it's matched in with the trim on the fender. And then you have the 17-inch Challenger wheels, tandem axle trailer, and tandem disc brakes to each axle. Walking on to the back, you got these nice integrated grab handles. I almost called them love handles. Guess you could call them love handles if you wanted to, but they're grab handles. Got the fold down ladder here, boat buckle tie down. Sneaking in on my video. Manual setback plate in the rear. If you wanted hydraulic, we can certainly add that here. No more crawling underneath the boat. You got your flow right drain plug right here in the back, and out. You'll never forget it at home again. And if you did with a Ranger, you don't have to worry about them sinking either. So this right here is where you charge your thirsty batteries. It's got 15x4 dual bank, or 15x4 dual pro charger on it. Charges all the batteries, your cranking and your 3 trolling. Let's see, walking on over here, well, I almost skipped the motor. Can't skip the motor. We are equipped with the Mercury 250 Pro XS here. This is the 4-stroke motor. If you live in brackish water or salt water, wanted to take it through there, you have this little plug on the side here that you pop out. You can flush the motor. Stainless 3-blade prop. It is a Mercury Fury 23 pitch 3-blade. All right, walking on over here. Probably looks the same as the other side of the boat, but I figured I'd do a full walk around. Different lighting over here. Pop-up cleats. And on this side, it looks like we have 3. I've never noticed this on any of the previous models, but these are definitely more convenient to get to. There's the console. I keep on trying to jump into the interior walkthrough here. I need to stay on the outside for a second. There's our 12-inch Lowrance live screen. And then you also have one on the interior. Little pop-up step. You can also get the full-on walk-up ladders if wanted. I call them the Papaw steps, but they work for any age group. All right, let's get inside this thing. All right, so on the Ranger here, the new 520R, your center box is going to be deeper. You have room for your 3700 planos and still have room on top for your rods. You've got these little side pockets over here where you can keep loose tackle, your zoom bags, all that good stuff. Comes with a onboard booster box, jump your battery. On the side compartments here, well, let me show you this. All right, so that little green button looking thing, when you open your compartments, the LED lights automatically kick on. You don't have any buttons anymore to hit. It's all whenever you pop up your lids. Your lids are fully fiberglass. They are insulated, helps reduce sweating inside the compartments. And then you have a fan that circulates air throughout all the front boxes here. It's all fiberglassed in boxes, no plastic drop in and not carpeted. Have the C deck planted inside the box here. No more rod tubes. Nobody likes bent eyelets. So instead they have shelves. I thought that was pretty sweet. And then same over here on this side. Shelves instead of tubes, everybody loves that. Oh, and over here, this is going to be another little storage compartment. Everybody wants to know where your cooler's at. Here's the cooler. It's a different material than last year's model. And it's very deep too. Have shelves to put your sandwiches and snacks. And then, of course, all your beer goes in here. Or Gatorades, whatever you decide to drink. That's what it looks like with all your compartments down. Very wide deck. I mean, you could have a full-on party up here. Ranger's a very level fishing platform. You don't have to worry about the wobble back and forth. Stays pretty stationary up here. If your buddy's moving around the back, you're not really going to fill them up front, so you don't have to counteract any steps. Front deck is a padded front deck. Let's see, seat here, you've got two pedestal seat hole options here. Guess depending on how tall you are. But you got a nice view at the Lowrance HDS unit here. If it was me, I'd probably put it on an elevated platform. That way you can see it, and then if the sun's shining down on it, you can maneuver it back and forth. But that's all add-ons that we can do here. All right. Okay, yep, camera's still rolling. We good. Back here, look at these plugs and you're like, Brad, what are those? This is where you can add another console. Some people like them, some people don't. Your co-angler probably loves it. But if you had a second console to put in, you just pop these little plugs out, pop it in, and then vice versa to remove it. This right here I call the trash door. This is where I throw everything that I'm done using. Keep it out of the way of the floor, hooks, plastics, all that good stuff. I throw all that in here. And it gives your co-angler a nice little platform to prop his feet. This is a different material that they use for the R boats. On the L boats, it was like a like a plastic trim. This feels like a vinyl. It's supposed to be like fade resistant and all that good stuff. So, we'll see how that works here over the next few years. But this is where your co-angler puts all his rods and reels, and then wallet, keys, and everything can go in this pocket. Let's see, something else is over here I need to show you. USB plugs, DC outlet. Hopefully my finger wasn't in the way of that. Little cup holder here. Both your driver and passenger seat slide forward and back. Very wide seats, they say, to fit all anglers. Very comfortable too. They did well with the pattern on this also to match in with the boat. Just you know, 50 shades of gray. So over here, the console's redesigned. It's able to fit 2 HDS 12 units. You have a platform here for them, or you can go with the single one. Like I said, I prefer mine on a mount. That way you can maneuver it, whether the sun's beaming down on it or not. You can kind of get the best view. All right, sitting at the driver's seat, the pilot seat, you have your Ranger ride system over here. This is basically eliminates the need for all the switches down here off to the side. It's all run through this screen. Your live wells, your lights, your engine diagnostics are all through this screen here. So no need to tie in networking for your graphs to get your engine diagnostics or have a smart craft gauge. It's all in on this screen. Single trim for the motor. If you had hydraulic, you'd probably want to go with dual trim. And then you have room for a hydraulic gauge over here also. Engine start. It's literally just push button start. You have a key fob just like you would for your truck. Horn. Let's see, what else am I missing? Hot foot, and then traction pad flooring. We've got a little pop-up glove box here, wireless phone charger, and a little dry box for your wallet, keys, paperwork, all that good stuff. And you also have another little USB port in there. This is a very well designed boat. Very smartly thought out. You've got a little spot for your net here. Keep it out of the floor of your boat so you don't have to step on it. Keep on thinking I'm missing something. I don't think I am. Plenty of storage in the back here. So on the Ranger boats, we don't have like drop-ins or anything. It's all fiberglass mold. You just step right in it. I mean, bouncing up and down, I'm not going anywhere. I don't know another boat that you can do that. Very sturdy. Plenty of room. Same goes for over here. Sorry if I'm turning you around so much, making you dizzy. Shelving built in back, just like the other one. C-deck floor. And then your live well lids, easy to get to. Ours are pretty wide, so you can put all the big fish that'll be jumping in your Ranger boat. Coil tag holder. But yeah, very deep live wells. See if I can get these down without crashing them. There we go. Fold down seat. It does come with a fold down and a bike seat. They're both on hydraulic pedestals. I don't know if I pointed this out on the outside walkthrough, but these have fiberglass backs that are color matched in with the boat. Fully gel coated. Back here in the battery compartment, we have 4 batteries, enough room for your pumps. You don't have to take up any other compartments for your pumps, for your power poles. We've got 1 cranking battery or AGM cranking, and then 3 lithium trolling. I believe these are the 80 amp hour versions. Through Ranger you have a option for the 80s and the 100s. Nice little area to put your stern light to keep it out of the way. Spare prop rack. I'm gonna have to come over here. Main power shut off disconnect, and your 15x4 battery charger. Underneath here, access to all of your pumps. Everything's pretty simple to get to. This whole battery compartment in the back is gel coated in, so it makes for easy clean. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If I forgot to show you anything, I apologize. You can, you know, blast me in the comments for it if you want to. If you got time to do that, that's cool. But yeah, that is the 2023 Ranger 520R. Like I said, apologies for not posting a video sooner. I just don't get a lot of time being the only salesman here. So we had a beautiful day and I had a couple hours to do a video, so here we are doing this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Let YouTube know that, you know, I might know what I'm talking about, might be enjoyable to watch. If you're new to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine too. And comment below what you know, what you like about the boat. If there's anything that Ranger should have changed, or, you know, I'm sure they read comments and, you know, take people's advice. That's how they keep on, you know, coming out with really cool stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll be posting more truck camper videos here before long, but I've had a few people in the comments, you know, request me to do a boat video, so I'm doing a boat video. Let me know what else I should do. Until next time, y'all take care, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.